Creating a matrix of options using Itertools. I am trying to produce a matrix of true and false values, which shows all the permutations for a given number of choices. So for 5 choices you would have the following output. I have been looking at using Itertools permutations and combinations, but these work off position and not value, which results in duplicates. I'm sure there is a standard algorithm for this problem, but I'm struggling to find its name.
You seem to want the n-dimensional Cartesian product of false, true. Or more concisely, stealing from Frederick.
Use Itertools.product. Example of Itertools.product, false, true, repeat equals 2.
This is the same form as the binary representation of integers between 0 to 2 *** n-1. If you were inclined to such perversity, you could represent integers as 0-padded binary strings using str format, and then coerce the string of the form 00101 into a Boolean list by doing something terrible like this. The n-dimensional Cartesian product above is, I'm sure, the right way to think about this, but this way made me giggle.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.